Ara. Sigurado ko ikaw ay magugulat. Ara, we have a very special surprise number para sa iyo. Mga kaibigan, let us welcome on stage the most handsome of them all. The reason why Ara is here with us tonight. Mga kaibigan, a round of applause for Mr. Noel Cleofe.
Tomorrow morning, if you wake up and the sun does not appear, I will be here. If in the dark we decide of love, hold my hand and have no fear. 'Cause I will be here.
I will be here when you feel like being quiet, when you need to speak your mind. I will listen and I will be here. Laughter turns to crying, to the reading, losing, trying. We'll be together, 'cause I will be here.
Tomorrow morning, if you wake up and the future is unclear, I will be here. Your seasons are made for change, lifetimes are made for you. So I will be here.
I will be here, on my shoulder, when the new desires were all gone. I will hold you, and I will be here to watch you grow in beauty, and tell you all the things you are to me. I will be here.
I will be true to the promise I have made, to you and to the one who gave it to me. Just as sure the seasons are made for change, lifetimes are made for you. So we'll be together. I will be here.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Noel and Mrs. Lourdes Cleofe.